To install the LiDAR, first gently pull the body screws straight out, no unscrewing needed. If they feel too tight, you may use pliers. Next, disconnect the Tesla light by releasing the connector. Continue, remove the screws on the front head to access the internal components. Here's the memory card slot. Make sure the memory card is properly inserted before continuing. The LiDAR system uses two cables. The first is a micro USB cable, used for data. The second has a round connector and is used for power. Make sure to connect the cables to the correct ports on the robot. The power port is marked in orange. Connect the power cable here. The data port is marked in blue. Connect the data cable here. Now, remove the Tesla light. Replace it with the LiDAR sensor and secure it in place. Connect the other ends of both the power cable and the data cable to the LiDAR adapter. Next, arrange the cables neatly to avoid pinching or interference. Finally, close the front head and body cover, then secure everything with the screws. The LiDAR sensor is now installed and ready for operation.